Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to flip vertical on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and you can find the toolbar at the left side of the screen. New, go to the last button, the canvas, and here you can find different options. Go to the last, the flip vertical, and if you want to flip your canvas, just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.